Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. One of the misconceptions on Angie's List, or one of the statements, is you shouldn't trust a foundation inspector if they are paid on commission. I can guarantee you I would be hesitant as well if I didn't know my sales staff. I've seen it in the past with other foundation repair companies that your sales reps are commission based and they are going to do hard closes and want you to peer your entire house and try to rack up as big a bill as possible because obviously it's more money for them. Our sales guys aren't trained that way. Our philosophy and our values aren't that way either. We want you to have the best fix, the most economical fix, and the fix that we would provide if it was one of our family members. We've had numerous times where we've had our sales reps turn down projects or projects that they've done reviews and the home has been fine. So I would say most of the time, if a sales rep comes out and they're commission based, they're going to be hardcore car type salesman closers. But for ours, like I said, I've never experienced or ever had a comment where our sales or staff has come off as pushy or just trying to sell me on something. So hopefully that helps out considering your next foundation repair project and which company to choose.